Extreme weather is when nature unleashes its most powerful and dangerous forces. Events that can reshape landscapes, disrupt lives, and test our ability to adapt. These are moments when the weather goes far beyond what we expect or experience on a typical day, pushing the limits of what our communities and environments can handle. Imagine a calm, sunny afternoon suddenly turning dark as storm clouds gather, or a peaceful landscape transforming into a scene of chaos as severe weather strikes. Think of a gentle rain that quickly intensifies, overwhelming rivers and streets, turning neighborhoods into lakes as floods take hold. Or picture a light breeze escalating into a violent windstorm, powerful enough to topple trees, snap power lines, and scatter debris across entire blocks. Extreme weather can strike anywhere, at any time. It includes hurricanes with their fierce winds and rain, tornadoes that carve unpredictable paths, blizzards that blanket cities in snow, floods that rise with little warning, heat waves that push temperatures to dangerous highs, and wildfires that race across dry landscapes. Understanding these powerful events is crucial. It helps us prepare, respond, and recover more effectively, keeping ourselves and our loved ones safe. You don't have to be a scientist to benefit from this knowledge. Everyone, from kids to adults, can learn to recognize warning signs and take action before disaster strikes. Each type of extreme weather brings its own set of dangers. Blizzards can bury homes and cars in snow, heat waves can cause health emergencies, and floods can submerge entire towns in water. Wildfires, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds, can sweep through neighborhoods in minutes, leaving little time to escape. By learning about these events, we gain respect for nature's power and discover practical ways to protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. In this guide, we'll explore 7 major types of extreme weather. We'll look at how they form, what warning signs to watch for, and the best steps to stay safe when they strike. Preparation is key. Knowing what to do before, during, and after an event can make all the difference. Stocking up on emergency supplies, making a plan, and staying informed are your best defenses against the unexpected. So, let's dive into the fascinating and sometimes frightening world of extreme weather, and learn how to stay safe when nature shows its true power. Thunderstorms are dramatic storms with lightning and thunder, formed by towering cumulonimbus clouds. They start when warm, moist air rises quickly, creating powerful updrafts and static electricity. When the charge builds up, it's released as lightning, a giant spark hotter than the sun. Warning signs include dark, towering clouds, sudden wind shifts, and distant rumbles of thunder. Thunderstorms bring dangers, lightning strikes, strong winds, heavy rain, flash floods, and sometimes hail. The safest place during a thunderstorm is indoors, away from windows and electrical appliances. Avoid water and corded phones, as lightning can travel through plumbing and wiring. If you're outside, stay away from tall objects and crouch low, but don't lie flat. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Wait at least 30 minutes after the last thunder before going back outside. Thunderstorms are powerful. Respect their warning signs and stay safe. Hurricanes are truly the giants of the sea. Massive, spinning storms that form over warm ocean waters, sometimes stretching hundreds of miles across. These powerful systems are among the most dramatic and awe-inspiring forces of nature on our planet. Once they begin, hurricanes can grow for days, gathering strength and size as they move across the ocean, fueled by the heat and moisture from the water below. To develop, hurricanes need 3 key ingredients: warm ocean water, moist air rising from the sea surface, and the spinning motion provided by the Earth's rotation. Without any one of these, a hurricane simply can't form. As hurricanes strengthen, they develop a calm, almost eerie eye at the center. This eye is surrounded by the eye wall, where the most violent winds and heaviest rains occur, creating a ring of destruction around the calm core. Meteorologists use advanced technology to track hurricanes, including satellites that watch from space, and special planes called hurricane hunters that fly directly into the storm to gather vital data. Their work is crucial for issuing watches and warnings, giving people time to prepare and stay safe. The biggest dangers from hurricanes are storm surge, walls of ocean water pushed onto land by the winds, along with destructive winds that can tear apart buildings and torrential rains that cause widespread flooding. Hurricanes can devastate coastlines, flattening entire communities, and cause flooding far inland, affecting people who may not expect to be in danger. Preparation is absolutely key. Make sure you have a disaster kit with food, water, and supplies. Board up your windows to protect your home, and always pay attention to evacuation orders from local officials. If you're told to evacuate, leave immediately. Don't risk your life or the lives of your loved ones by waiting too long. Roads can quickly become impassable as conditions worsen. If you must stay, shelter in a windowless interior room on the lowest floor of your home, away from outside walls and windows, and keep your emergency supplies close until officials say it's safe to come out. Hurricanes are unpredictable and can change direction or intensity quickly, so always listen to authorities, follow their instructions, and stay informed with weather updates. Planning ahead and staying alert truly saves lives. Respect the incredible power of hurricanes and always be ready. Your preparation and caution can make all the difference when facing these giants of the sea. Tornadoes are violently rotating columns of air that extend from thunderstorms all the way down to the ground, often appearing as dramatic, swirling funnel clouds. These natural phenomena are among the most intense and unpredictable weather events on Earth, capable of changing landscapes in mere moments. Tornadoes form from powerful thunderstorms, especially supercells, when the atmosphere is unstable and wind patterns shift rapidly with height. Warm, moist air near the ground collides with cooler, drier air above, creating the perfect environment for these twisting terrors to develop. Warning signs of a tornado include a dark, greenish sky, low and persistent rotating clouds, sudden large hail, and a loud, continuous roar that sounds like a freight train. Sometimes, you may even see debris swirling beneath the clouds before the funnel touches down. When a tornado watch is issued, it means conditions are favorable for tornadoes to form, so stay alert. A tornado warning means a tornado has been spotted or indicated by radar. Take shelter immediately, as every second counts. Tornadoes can destroy entire homes in seconds, rip roofs from buildings, hurl debris like missiles, and cause deadly injuries. The sheer force of the wind can turn everyday objects into dangerous projectiles. The safest place to be during a tornado is an underground storm cellar or a sturdy basement, away from windows and exterior walls. These areas offer the best protection from flying debris and collapsing structures. If you don't have access to a basement, go to a small windowless room on the lowest floor, like a bathroom or closet, and cover your head and neck with something sturdy, such as a mattress or heavy blankets. Stay far away from windows and outside walls, as these are most likely to shatter or collapse during a tornado. Put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Never try to outrun a tornado in your car. It can change direction quickly and overtake you. If you're caught outside, lie flat in a low ditch or depression, cover your head, and protect yourself from flying debris. Most tornado-related injuries and fatalities are caused by flying debris, not the wind itself. Acting quickly and following safety procedures can make the difference between life and death. Always have a tornado safety plan for your home and family. Practice regular tornado drills, keep an emergency kit and weather radio handy, and stay informed. Preparedness is your best defense against the twisting terrors of nature. A blizzard is a severe winter storm with heavy snow, strong winds, and dangerously low visibility. For a storm to be a blizzard, winds must reach at least 35 mph and last for hours. Blizzards form when warm, moist air meets cold air, creating intense snow and wind. Warnings are issued in advance. Prepare by stocking up on essentials and staying indoors. Main dangers: extreme cold wind chill and whiteout conditions that make travel deadly. Blizzards can cause frostbite, hypothermia, and power outages. If you must go outside, dress in layers and cover exposed skin. Never travel during a blizzard unless absolutely necessary. Staying inside and prepared is the best way to survive a blizzard. Floods happen when water covers land that's usually dry, often after heavy rain, melting snow, or dam failures. Flash floods can strike suddenly, while river floods build up over days. Warning signs include rising water, weather alerts, and roaring sounds upstream. Floodwaters are powerful. Just 6 inches can knock you down, and 2 feet can sweep away cars. The water is often contaminated and dangerous. Never walk, swim, or drive through floodwaters. Turn around, don't drown. If told to evacuate, do so immediately. Move to higher ground or the highest level of your home if flooding starts. Avoid contact with floodwater and wait for authorities before returning home. Flood safety is about quick action and caution. A heat wave is a stretch of unusually hot weather lasting several days, often with high humidity. High-pressure systems trap heat, making temperatures soar and preventing cooling. Meteorologists issue heat warnings based on temperature and humidity, the heat index. Heat waves are dangerous because they can cause heat exhaustion and heat stroke, which can be deadly. Stay safe by drinking plenty of water, staying indoors with air conditioning, and wearing light clothing. Never leave children or pets in cars, even for a minute. Check on vulnerable neighbors, especially the elderly. Avoid strenuous activity during the hottest part of the day. Heat waves may seem quiet, but they're deadly if you're not prepared. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and stay alert. And wildfires are fast-moving, uncontrolled fires that burn through forests and grasslands. They can start from lightning or human activity, especially in dry, hot, and windy conditions. Warning signs include smoke, haze, and falling ash. Red flag warnings mean extreme fire risk. Wildfires spread rapidly, destroying everything in their path and producing dangerous smoke. The smoke can cause serious health problems, even far from the fire. If you live in a wildfire-prone area, clear flammable materials from around your home and have an evacuation plan. Leave immediately if ordered. Don't wait. If trapped, find a clear area and stay low to avoid smoke. Never leave campfires unattended and follow fire safety rules. Preparation and quick evacuation save lives. Wildfires are unpredictable. Always be ready. Extreme weather comes in many forms, but preparation is the key to safety. Stay informed with weather alerts and listen to emergency officials. Know the difference between watches and warnings. Prepare or act immediately. Have a family communication plan and a disaster kit with essentials. Practice your safety plan and know where to shelter for each type of storm. After storms, check on neighbors and help those in need. Communities are stronger when people work together. By learning, planning, and preparing, you can face any storm with confidence. Simple steps make a big difference when nature turns extreme. Stay aware, stay prepared, and stay safe, no matter the weather.